Hello children, good afternoon. See which book madam is having? Pick a book, EVS Magic. So open this page children to page number 7878 and 7979. Now let us write the date children here. 1/6/16 -12 -20 and then write the day Wednesday. On the next page also write the date and the day 16th December 2020 and day is Wednesday. Okay, now what is the topic children? Me and my safety. So as you know that our project theme is on road transport, air transport and water transport. So all kinds of transportation is our topic, right? So under that what we are going to do today? We are going to learn about the safety, right? So let us read. What is it written here? Hi, I am Froggy. What is the Froggy saying? Be safe everywhere. And how can you be safe everywhere? When you follow certain rules. Okay? So let us see what are the rules. The first one is written, we should not play on the road. So children, if you want to play cricket or football or badminton or any kind of outdoor game or indoor game, do you go and play it on the road? No, we should not play on the road. There is a big ground. Yes, near your house you can see very big ground. So you should play on that ground. That is called a playground, right? Or inside the garden you can play. But we should not play on the road. So that is wrong. Follow those rules properly. Okay children? Now next picture is of a girl, and what that girl is doing? She is walking on the road. Okay? So should we walk on the road? We should not walk on the road alone. With the help of your mother or father or your grandparents, only you should walk on the road. And first of all, while crossing the road, should we walk on the road? No, we should cross the road walking on the zebra crossing. So what is written here? We should cross the road at zebra crossing and not like this. Okay? So children, follow these instructions. Okay? Very good. See, next picture is of a bus. Can you see this bus? Yes, we used to go to field trip in a bus, right? Remember? So, what your madam used to tell you when you were sitting in the bus? Sit properly. Don't take out your hand out of the window. Yes, madam used to tell all these things, no? So, this rule also is given here. We should sit properly in the bus. Right? We should sit properly means एक जगह पे अच्छे से बैठना चाहिए. We should not take out your hand or our head out of the window. Okay? And next picture is of a scooter. See what this man is doing? He is driving a two-wheeler. And what this man is wearing? Wearing a helmet. So we should wear a helmet while driving. अभी हम टू व्हीलर चलाते हैं जब भी. So when your father or mother goes out in a two wheeler, what you will tell your mother or father? Please wear helmet while you drive, because that is for your safety. So when you fall down, your head will not get injured. Okay? Next picture is, see, we should not drive without the seat belt. See, a man is sitting inside the car and he is not wearing a seat belt. So, is it wrong or right? It is wrong. We should not drive without the seat belt. So, whenever you drive a car, you should always wear your seat belt. Next page, see children, next page there is a bus again. And what this instruction is given? We should not take out any body part outside the bus window, right? Just now we told you, right? Just now I told you that you should not take out your hand or your head out of the bus window. So that's what is written here. So that is also they have put wrong here. Why they have put wrong? Because we should not take out any body part outside the bus window. So that is correct. We should not. So these children, they are putting their head out. So is this action wrong or right? Wrong. Yes. Next is, see, we should not drive without wearing a helmet. So this boy was wearing a helmet. So that is why we have put right here. And this boy, he has not worn a helmet. So they have put a cross. This action is not proper. Cross. Now next is, we should always wear a seat belt, right? Whereas here in this red color car, uncle was not wearing a seat belt, so which is wrong. And here the uncle is, see, wearing the seat belt. He has worn the seat belt and this boy also has worn the seat belt. So it is true, right? You have to put a tick here. We should always wear a seat belt. Now next is, see, the traffic signal. Can you see the traffic signal here? This traffic signal, first light is red, then yellow and then green. So what is written here? We should not run on the footpath. Children, when you walk on the footpath, no, there you should not run, right? Like this girl is running, you should never run on a footpath. And this boy, where is he playing, children? He is playing in the park. So that is right. You can play in the park, as I told you first, right? So this boy, he is playing on the road. So that is wrong. And this boy is playing on the park. Sorry, in the park. So this is right. Next, we will see some activity. So children, what activity we have to do? This is color the tree. So you have to take a green color and color it. Okay? And next is, which activity? You have to paste the sticker of the boy on the zebra crossing. So this boy is crossing the road on a zebra crossing. That is right. Correct action. You have to take out the sticker and then stick it. So let us take out and stick the sticker, children. Yes, and stick it here. Right? Very nice. So this is the activity that you have to do. Madam has done this activity, pasting activity, and you have to do this coloring activity also. And what color you will color? Because it is tree, you have to color the tree with a green color. Okay? Okay, take care children and do this work at home. And you also take care of these rules whenever you cross the roads. Okay? Bye children.